Yo, what up? Welcome to a new video by me, Boneless Shelter. So in this video, I'm mainly going to be adding art to the game and building a map with tilesets. And yep, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. It's me, Dr. David, and I'm back. Okay, so you guys are probably not going to notice it, but it's been a while since I recorded a video. Heck, it's been a while since I opened this game. Like, I don't know, over 1 month. I had a lot of school projects to do at the end of the session, and after that, I just had a lot of other things to do. But we're finally back. And as you heard in the intro, you see all this green? This is going to become an actual tile set with sprites. The little square here, that's Cthulhu, is going to be actually Cthulhu. This is going to be a real dude. So without further ado, let's start. Well, I'm going to start by putting the sprites I have, and then we'll build a tile set together. So see you soon. Before I actually start, let me show you guys what sprites I have. So in the sprite folder, I added a sprite folder, and I got some battle scene things, the dialogue sprites for some NPCs. They're a bit small, and for the playable characters that you can see here, I have menu things. Like, this is for the card menu that we don't have yet, that I might do today too. We got some shop things. I don't have a shop yet. This is empty. Oh. Some random UI. Battle scenes, like I got the battle bags, I got some cards in here, the player battle sprites, and the likes. So yeah, so before I actually skip to when I finish, I just tried adding a single thing. It was the mini icons. So at first I did a little oopsie. I accidentally added the code here in the HUD update instead of here in the mini HUD update, so of course it caused a problem. But now I fixed it. I added the sprites here, and as you saw in the code, but yeah, it doesn't work. I have no idea why. Truly, I don't know. Like, this gets set to none. If I try to change it, immediately goes back to none. But if I pause the editor, change it here, yeah, it worked. Unpause, none. I have no idea why, and I need to fix it. A good way to start programming again, huh? Immediate bug. Plus, I also noticed that I forgot to do one of the sprites. So, well, actually, it's for this, the character icon. I'm supposed to have a normal and a low HP one. I forgot to do the low HP ones, so I'm going to go do them. I'm going to fix the stupid little head, and yeah. Yo, what up? I'm back after like 4 to 5 hours. Yeah, I barely got anywhere because the stupid ass code didn't work. But let me show you what I did for now, which is really not a lot. Like first, if I stand still, look, there's Cthulhu, and the health bar you can see in game, but the XP bar is also like fancier. I got the P, the little P icon, and if I go take some damage, it does change. It's just a bit too small for you to see, but you can also and there's the KO sprite. So let me just heal up. And let's go get Dr. David. Somewhere down. There. There's of course the dialogue sprites that I added. Now I just need to put them behind the box, which never worked as of right now. And now, look, he also appears here. And now, if I go start a battle, I could show you guys if I switch the party, because it does modify the icons, but it's kind of bugged, so let's not do that right now. And also, we got a small head sprite. So I did put a background, and there you have it. It looks, and you have all the options. The cards don't work yet. Actually, I don't have a lot more to do beside the tile sets. I really just need to make sure that the cards show up the right thing. How do I rage speed? Oops. Where's the... Okay, whatever. So, yeah, the other options do as usual, but I need to fix the HP bars who are fucked. Then need to make sure that these things show up, and I mean, I don't know how much more I'm missing. Oh yeah, the overall sprite, because the items here, they're all going to be in the tile set that I have, the tile set that I have prepared here. Yeah, here. I'm going to make a real tile set with that and build a map. And yes, but it's a bit late today, so I'm actually going to do that tomorrow. So see you guys later. That's what happened when I don't code for a while. Well, when I don't look at my code for a while. I have no idea what this code does. I have no idea where is card display used. How do I? Okay, I think I did it. Let's see. It's a bit long. There. So if we head to the battle, moment of truth. Yes, it works. Look, guy. Look. Well, the cards are a bit too big, but it works. Well, now I just gotta fix the health bars that are a bit weird. So I don't remember how I did it the first time, but the code for the first time doesn't work anymore. Hey guys, I'm back. So, I tried fixing the health bar. I failed, but we're going to ignore it for now. It's not that important, I think. So, I did do the card menu. Look, wow. Of course, these are just sprites with no code behind. Like, you can't actually do anything, but you can see the vision. Of course, also, I'll remove like all of them and they only show up if they're on the party. This adds a new deck. This is to rename and you can read this. But I also fixed the cards. So if we start a battle, fight, and look, the cards are normal now. The box collider isn't. Okay, so we're back. So now if I click on fight, the options are here, and yes, the box collider is still broken. Let's ignore that for now. But did you remember when the screen faded to black and sent you to the next day? Well, yo, what up? Welcome back. So now we're going to add the sprites for the walking animations. So now if we open the overworld folder, so now by opening the overworld folders, you can see already pre-cut every sprite for Cthulhu. Now, well, I just need to make animations with it. So let's start doing it. Okay, so I have like 34 animations to do. And you know how I make them? I click this, do this, add this here, go in assets, animation controller, Cthulhu animation, and I rename it walk_up. And now yep, I'm here. This is like horrible. Yo, so I kinda find no, I didn't find any fast way to do it. I'm just doing it the slow way. So I've already done all of the up sprites and almost finished with the right sprites. Then I still have down, left, up, right, up, left, down, right. So of course, if you don't know how to make an animation, you select all the sprites, put them in the scene, save it to the right place. I think I already showed that to you, but I don't care. Write a name, right, and yeah. After that I can delete it because the animation is saved and that's what we want. So I might fast forward through it a bit or cut it depending on if I still have enough room on my computer to save the full recording. So we'll see. "15 minutes later." I finished. I finally did all of the Cthulhu sprites. They're all animations now. So if I go in animations, there's also controllers, and there's all of the animations for Cthulhu. That's nice, that's cool. I can finally use the animator for Cthulhu and have actual animations, but she's kind of like not the only character with a giant ass sheet. Yes, so Unity just fucking crashed. I don't know why. Like, what the hell? Okay, I think last time I saved, I just added a single sprite animation. Yeah, I think I had just saved. Let me check. Yo, I'm back. And I finished Dr. David. All of the animations. This one I'm moving away. This one I'm putting them here. Perfect. I'm still not done. I finished it. Well, now all we have to do is animator. Skip to when I finish. Everything seems fine. Ooh. This kinda looks wrong. The left key isn't working. Oops. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm doing. So basically, I click on this, and then I have to do a lot. Look, all of this for every single animation. That's not really fun. Okay guys, I'm back, and I finished all the current animation for Cthulhu. Of course, as you can see, you can only access to walk and run and idle, of course, but that's good enough for now. So let's see how it works. I also had to rewrite my movement script because it didn't work the other way. And you can see all the directions are working. There's the idle animation where I'm not moving, the walk, and when I press the run key, a run animation. Of course, as you can see, the sprite is a bit broken, Cthulhu is off color, but that's just because of this. It's easy to fix. And it's a bit small, but these are easy fixes. The important is just that the animations are working. Now I just need to do the same for Dr. David. And then go do this guy. But technically it doesn't need animations himself because it's not moving. But I should make the enemy Yes, I do plan on having moving enemies, so at least for this test scene I will. So I should do it too. Maybe another time. But I do need to give him a sprite looking down. And go to Dr. David, give him as an NPC an idle animation. And then give him all of the important moving sprites that I gave to Cthulhu. So the idle, walk and run. The rest I can do another time. Like another episode or another in-between episode. Just because it took me like 3 days to add the sprites because I keep having I keep having like things in real life to do. So yeah, that's working at least. See you guys a bit later. Yo, what up? So as you can see, I did it. So let me show you guys how it looks for now. Wow, idle animations. And of course you can move all directions. And if I press on the run button, I can also do some of these. And if I go talk to Dr. David, and there we have. Okay, I get a speed boost because he's like too close to me, but yeah. That's kinda cool. And if we go up there with the super speed, there's an enemy with a sprite and another animation. I still get surprised by the speed. And of course everything. Oops. And of course, if I press pause, they stop and they return to their idle animation. This doesn't work when you start talking to someone, or as you guys could see, when you start an encounter. But you saw it again. That I should fix, but not right now. And next thing on the list is the tile set. And after doing the tile set, there will only be one thing left to do. Also, I'll be changing the compression to none and to filter mode because look, this one is crisp, this one is a bit blurry. Maybe a little bit of blur could be good, but what is it lagging? But we can change it later. Okay, so now we are finally at what you've been waiting for. tile mapping. Tile mapping. So let's start tile mapping by first creating a tile map. Rectangular, I'm going to call it tested. Then I need to open the window to the tile palette, and I think I just drag this here somewhere. Create a new palette. Right, yeah, here, and I'll call it 1 underscore 1. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Grid size, I'm gonna say that maybe. This is going to go in asset. Yeah, asset. New folder. Tile maps. Choose. And now, bam. There we have it. So now, okay, the view kinda sucks ass. Now we have the palette. So if I want to, can I select? Oh, back. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Okay, so if I please stop. Okay, what? Come on, man. Okay, now it's good. So yeah, I can draw. Look, I can just click somewhere and the entire palette is set up. I select this. Can I like copy paste? Paste. I don't know exactly, but let's just draw a bit. Putting big chunks make it. Although putting big chunks makes it harder than just one thing and here. Doesn't matter. I can just. Okay, so now let's put a couple of flowers. Okay, so let's test out the level to see how it looks. If it loads. Yeah. It does look like an actual map. Okay, an empty map, but a map nonetheless. Let's go. Now I just need to make the map a bit bigger and then start working with these things. These things, set the limits with the giant ass trees, and maybe make a little pathway. So see you guys soon. Oh, and I'm also going to re-add some fancy trees, tree stumps, and rocks. But I am going to import the enemy. Well, put the enemy on this new map, but not the NPCs. Okay, so now I created a second tile map, and I'm going to start adding the trees. The trees are going to be the limits, so I'll give them colliders afterwards. So now all there is left is to add the trees and the trees, 4%, the trees, the enemies, and the enemy, and a little hole to go in the cave, to do something like this, and add oops, okay, I should fix that, and this, add the dark area effect. Hey guys, it's been a while, and you won't understand, I just spent the most miserable hour because Unity decided to bug, and I of course had to fix it. You might ask, what could bug exactly? What can go wrong? All I did was just draw, right? I was just drawing a tile set and moving object. I don't know. I have absolutely no idea what happened, but for some reason the entire game's UI broke. Like, I didn't record any of it because I was just trying to fix it, but like this thing was over there, the fucking bar were misplaced. Wait, let me show you. Now it went back to normal. I fixed it. I just had to fucking reset the entire layout, which removed the animator, animation, tile palette, windows, and I had to re-put them. But like, I'm going to show back some footage, but like you can see, like the icon is off screen. In the pause menu, the card menu, half of the screen was gone, and of course, yeah, all the UI. But even on the battle screen, this was broken. You couldn't see like half of the first word. The Cthulhu wasn't even fully on screen. The fight buttons were lowered. Like, the entire UI got zoomed in. And now you can still see that I had to change something, because if we go back to the battle animation, the battle intro, it doesn't do the full screen. Why? So yeah, that wasn't fun. And I just saw that the battle intro is a little buggy, so I have to fix it. Then I'm going to start building the game. I know there's going to be bugs and problems. Okay, fixed. Now we just need to make a build. So if I go in Unity, go on File. Now if I just go on File, Build Settings, there's all the things, macOS, yes, player settings. This is resolution. I'm going to go with I know I typically have problem with full screen, so just windowed. And yes, this is the name, the company name. For the icon, can be a placeholder one. This. Squished Cthulhu. I'm going to make a real official icon later, but let me just find something good. Yes, I'm just going to go with that. Default cursor, it's okay. And now, build. And I'm going to build it on my desktop. New folder. I don't need that, just save as. Go to build 1. Okay. I have the game. Okay. Okay, so we can of course see that the UI is messed up. Yeah, the UI is completely messed up. Yeah, it's messed up. It's so bad. Yeah. It's because it's because of I made the canvas scale with the camera. I have to make it with a screen, I guess. Yeah, because all the sprites are correctly placed. It's just the UI. So let's fix it. Of course, as the first build, I'm going to save it. By the way, don't mind all of the recording I have. This is just a recording for this episode. So let's fix it. Let's fix the problem. Basically, I just need to change screen space camera to overlay, but this breaks the non-UI elements, which is horrible. I'll have to fix it now. See you all in a bit, I guess. Okay guys, so I'm fixing the UI issue, and well, you wanna know what's the problem? Well, first I gotta go on the screen space overlay, but then all my game objects, all the sprite, the non-UI element disappear. You know what's the problem? Look, they automatically get repositioned to negative a bajillion on the z-axis. I just need to do this, and well, they're still under the UI. I'm not sure how to put them over, but yeah, that's basically it. I gotta just set everything to 0. Be back in a bit. So I should have fixed it. I think there might be another little problem, but it should work for the most part. Let me open the game. Yeah, this is still too small. Everything is gone. Yeah, everything is broken, even worse. Don't make me have to wait tomorrow to fix it. No, I'll try again. Okay, so I have a new build. It's not complete, it's just to try, you know, to test if it works or not. Okay, it works. Does it work fully? Yes. Of course it. So, in theory, it should work now. All I did was, well, put world space. So I went from screen overlay to screen camera. And then world space. So now it's baked in this position. Maybe it only works in the battle screen because, well, it's the battle screen. Like the camera never moves. but at least it works. So now if I rebuild the game, so now let's see if the entire UI is fine. Then I could probably do it on the static screens. By the way, I did remove the background. Yep. This works out just fine. So I'm gonna try to use the same technique for everything, and we'll see in the build number 5. So I tested it out and it doesn't work. I mean, on the battle screen it works just fine because the camera doesn't move. But look, this is there, and then it doesn't move. This always appears here. I can show you anything, like no lights going dark, the battle animation nowhere to be seen, and I'm sure it's the same with the dialogue. Yeah, they're over there. Everything is going on in the middle. That's because world space set them in position to the world. But maybe this works here because the camera never moves. But then again, some battle animation might move the camera, so I'll have to change it then. But maybe if I put everything as a child of camera, all of the canvas, if I do this, maybe it'll work? Probably not, actually. Oh, no, it's working. Of course, because the position is always relative to the camera. And I guess it could work. It's a bit up. Yeah, I mean, like, it works like that. It's at least good enough for now. I'm tired. I could have been to bed already. It's past midnight. So we got the build number 5. It should be fine now. Okay. Big. Yeah, I think it worked. Yes. It works! Everything is fine. If I go up there, you, yeah, you. There is dialogue. I go there, I change. The party menu thing works. Okay, this right. I forgot the underground things. I did the light dimmer, the fucking light dimmer thing that you saw. I didn't forget to do it. The one with the big forest over there. I think it's over there. Yes. Then this one, I changed it. But not the one underground. Oops. Well, I'll fix it on the 6th build. Also, I need to see, does the bar still bug? Yes. Now, let's just look at the battle screen. Let's just look at the battle screen, we can never be sure. And yes, it's fine. So I'm going to do a 6th build when where I'll fix the underground thing. But besides that, if I guess it's the end of the video. Like, we did it. Hooray! Hey, I didn't end the video screaming, despite me still ending it with a bug. Well, not a bug, but a little problem. It's not that bad.